Hi, this is Robert Kidd from the Tribute team. In this video I'll just be showing you some of the new features of the new Tribute update 2.8. So in this update we're mainly just focused on quality of life for the attire slots feature. So in particular, when you are adding attire slots to vanilla superstars, in the past it got a bit complicated if you were wanting to add an attire slot to someone like Roman Reigns, because he's got one vanilla attire unlocked through showcase, and he's also got two hidden attires in the game. So in the past you had to add multiple attire slots using Tribute to get to one that you could use. So that was a big makeshift at the time just to get it working, but now I've had a chance to properly just fine tune it, how it works, and so now you will just have to add one attire slot and Tribute will automatically find the next available slot for you, and it will let you know what attire number to name your files. And in this update, Tribute now will also automatically create your character folders and attire folders and your renders for you and name them correctly for you. So that should also save on a lot of confusion. So one thing to bear in mind with the new update, with the new automatic render creation, there is a new render template file, render template do not delete, in your bake me render folder. So do not delete this, as Tribute is looking for that when it creates your render templates for you. So it will duplicate that and make a copy of it with the name that you want to add. For example, with Roman Reigns, it will be named Attire 4. So don't delete this, because Tribute will need it or it will crash your game basically. I'll delete this Roman one because I want to show you how it works. And let's do this, delete that. Right, so if I want to add an attire to Roman Reigns in the game, I'll just show you the process for doing that. I'm actually going to use bulk data because I've got an attire line for Roman Reigns already, and this just means it's a vanilla attire, and here's his wrestler ID, wrestler ID 2, slot ID. Roman Reigns is the name that I'm going to be using on the character folders and the renders, so that's what that's used for. And then I've got a string hash ID which just represents the words alternate attire. So that's in my bulk data, and I'm going to run Tribute bulk data import just to create that attire slot for Roman. Okay, so that's done. So now you'll see that Tribute has created an attire folder for me, and it's given it the name A4, so that's the next available attire, and it's given me an alt attire folder. So I'll just put my mods inside that structure there, and it's also created a render for me, attire 4. So now I can literally just bake this and it should work in game. Okay, we'll just do one more example using Rhea Ripley. So go into my bulk data, and I'm just going to put in 2 attires for Rhea Ripley, hit save, and we'll see what happens. So run Tribute, and I'm going to do import. That's a success. So we'll have a look, see what's been generated. So we've got Rhea Ripley A2 and A5. So she had a showcase attire in game as her A1, and it looks like she had an A3 and A4 attires, probably hidden files. I don't know if they're actually working attires or what. Maybe one of them's a MyRise, could be. Yep, so there's been generated. So our next attire after A2 is A5, so we can put our mods in there, and let's have a look in our render folder, and we can see that it's also generated our Attire 2 and Attire 5 renders. Okay, so we're going to bake the bake me folder again, and then we'll run the game and see what we get in game. So as you can see in game, we've got our current attires, her main attire, her showcase attire. That's our A3 that we created, and it's got our render template, and it's got this 3 and 4, which are these hidden attires, whatever they are. And then we've got our alternate attire, which is our A5 with our template render. So again, you can put renders in for 3 and 4 if you like, just using A3 and A4, or attire 3 and attire 4, sorry, as the render names. Yep, so that'll be it for this video. If you do have any more questions or need help, please join the Tribute Discord and ask any questions you've got in modding help.